Chicken Divan has been a popular dish for years and years. A creamy casserole that consists of stuffing, broccoli, and chicken, covered in a homemade sauce and topped with a perfectly crunchy topping. This is a casserole my mom would make, and even the pickiest of eaters, case I'm talking about you, would eat this. I want to show you how to make my version of Chicken Divan today on the Stay-at-Home Chef. To start, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and lightly grease a 9x13 pan or one of equivalent size. This casserole is all about layers of textures and flavors, and our base layer that just makes this work so well is stuffing. Now, some may say stuffing doesn't belong in this recipe. Go ahead and leave it out if you want to, but this girl loves it in it. I'm using 4 cups of simply boxed stuffing. If you have homemade that you love, go ahead and use that. But now we're going to simply sprinkle it on the bottom of that pan. Onto the stuffing layer, we're going to add 2 cups of steamed broccoli. Fresh or frozen will work for this casserole. The broccoli just needs to be tender crisp. I'm steaming the broccoli, so I need to set a large pot with a few inches of water and a steamer basket over high heat. When the water comes to a boil, add in those broccoli florets and let those steam for about 4 to 5 minutes. And make sure to cover that. After about 4 to 5 minutes, go ahead and poke that broccoli and ensure that it is tender crisp. Place the steamed broccoli directly on top of the stuffing layer. Next layer is 2 cups of cooked chicken, which is about 2 pounds worth, and I'm using leftover rotisserie chicken that I've shredded into bite-sized pieces. To make this the best Chicken Divan, it needs a homemade sauce, not just a can of cream of whatever. So let's head over to the stove. In a saucepan over medium heat, add in 4 tablespoons of salted butter. Once melted, sprinkle in 4 tablespoons of flour and continuously stir that until it's well combined and the mixture turns a deep golden color. Add to the pan 2 cups of chicken broth, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of sour cream, and stir until all those ingredients are smooth, and lower the heat to a simmer. Into the sauce mixture, add in 1/4 cup of lemon juice, which gives it such a delicious tang. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of stone ground mustard, 2 teaspoons of dried parsley, and 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and then 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix that until it's well combined and smooth. Add in 1.5 cups of cheese to that. Give that a stir, and then remove that from the heat. Add in 1/2 cup of mayonnaise to that. Give it a stir. Pour the sauce over the chicken layer. To finish the Chicken Divan, it needs that perfect crunchy cheesy topping. So in a Ziploc bag, add in 2 sleeves of Ritz crackers. Crush them up. Pour those crumbs into a bowl and add to that 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Then drizzle in 4 tablespoons of melted salted butter. Then give that a mix. Sprinkle on that remaining 1.5 cups of cheddar cheese. Then sprinkle that cracker crumb topping onto that. Bake that for 45 minutes or until bubbly and brown. Once it's done cooking, you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.